In this video, we show you just how easily complete step assemblies can be processed with PROfirst 3D Unfold Step. With a single click, you can generate a full bill of materials in CSV format for Excel from an entire step assembly. Just as effortlessly, all assembly positions can be exported as individual step files, ideal for further processing in other systems in the manufacturing workflow. Next, we launch the automatic unfolding process. PROfirst 3D Unfold Step identifies all sheet metal parts and automatically creates perfectly adapted flat patterns based on the list of your bending tools stored in your database. All flat patterns are saved as DXF files, optionally including 4 detailed views of each part. A protocol file is also generated, containing important information about the unfolding process. For example, it highlights situations where holes or cutouts lie within the lower tool contact zone and may require special attention during bending. This means you not only receive perfect flat patterns, but also an integrated bending check for the entire assembly, well before it reaches the shop floor. Would you like to test PROfirst 3D Unfold Step with your own components? Contact us or simply send us your step files. We'll gladly show you in an online demonstration how to automate your unfolding process and significantly accelerate both your design and manufacturing workflows.